the mother. Woman must have given birth to all of us here. But the connection of mother and child is the umbilical cord. It's right at the center of the mother. If the umbilical cord is wrong and is defective, the child will come out as a very unstable child, will come out as a deformed child. But the entire strength of that mother lies within the umbilical cord during pregnancy. The center balances everything in this world. If the center is not right, the entire body of a substance won't be balanced. It's an appeal. We should all come together and make this world a better place for all of us. We are one and the same, irrespective of our color. We're here today to bring love. We're here today to bring peace. We're here today to bring harmony. We're here today for each and every one of you to remember that the center needs support. The center must be balanced for the entire part of the world to be balanced. Thank you for this great honor. Thank you for giving us this time to extend our love and fellowship to this great assembly. I'm using this opportunity on behalf of my other kings and my other kingsmen, brothers and sisters that we came all the way from Nigeria in Africa, to tell you that we all love you. And we should all come together as one big happy family in the presence of our Creator. God bless you all. Thank you very much for this honor.